Hi Rupali, wishing you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Kaki, happy birthday. I hope you're having a really amazing time. But
Hi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hoping for this lockdown to end soon and catching up with you.
Hi Rupali Ben, wishing you a many happiness of day.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Rupali Ben. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Rupali, sending special birthday wishes to the most important and most treasured person in my life.
Hi Rupali, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy this special birthday.
Birthday Rupali, have a wonderful day and year ahead.
Happy birthday Rupali. Have a great year ahead and a wonderful day.
Hi Rupali, wishing you a very happy birthday. May your this special day be amazing and unforgettable.
Hi Rupali, wish you happy birthday.
હાય રૂપાલી, હાય આશીષ. રૂપાલીની આજે બર્થડે છે અને એક पैगाम તમારે માટે મોકલાવું છું. ये दोस्ती चिराग है जलाए रखना, ये दोस्ती खुशबू है महकाए रखना.
Hey Rupali, wishing you a very happy birthday. I've got a few lines for you.
Hi, wish you a very happy birthday. आपके दिल की सारी मनोकामनाएं पूरी हो, यही हमारी अंतर की शुभकामनाएं हैं.
happy birthday, Rupali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Masi, happiest birthday. You were, are, and will always be one of the most important part of my life.
Rupali, Sanjay and Silpa here. Wish you a happy birthday. We have very good old memories of V for You, Chota Chatri, Momo.
Hi Masi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a very safe and amazing one.
Hi Rupali, a very happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Rupali. Happy birthday. Don't want you to change. Be the same. Loving, caring, understanding, jovial, helping everybody. And hope you enjoy the day.
Hi Rupali, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. I'm only giving you one back present कि आपको और आपके परिवार को कभी कोविड नहीं होगा. Please enjoy yourself. Rupali, enjoy your life. Go enjoy every moment of your life. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Dear Rupali.
Sending you lots of love and happiness.
We all love you, Rupali.
Have a great year ahead, Rupali.
Miss you always.
Hi Rupali, wish you a very happy birthday.
Have a great day.
Hi Rupali, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day. અને હું બહુ ખુશ છું કે આશી જે રીતે તારી બર્થડે માટે મહેનત કરી રહ્યો છે પહેલીવાર.
Hi, happy birthday Rupali.
Hi Rupali, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi Rupali, wish you a very happy birthday. Wish all your dreams comes true. Today I would like to share something for our friendship.
To a sweet friend Rupali. May you have an amazing year, just as an amazing person that you are. May your life be filled with love, peace, joy, and all the happiness in this coming year. Love you, Rupali.
अरे छोटी छतरी, कैसे है तू? आज मुझे पता चला कि कल तुम्हारा बर्थडे है, तो मेरे को भी तुमसे बात करने का मौका भी मिलेगा और बर्थडे कहने का भी मौका मिलेगा.
Happy birthday, Rupali.
Rupal, you've always been a very dependable, fearless and a supportive friend. And here on your birthday, wishing you loads of happiness, good health, peace and prosperity.
Happy birthday dear, wishing you great happiness and joy that never ends. It's always a treat to wish happy birthday to someone so sweet.
Happy birthday Rupali. Have a great day and year ahead. Stay happy, healthy and blessed forever.
Hi Rupali, here's wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi
Hi Rupali auntie, happy birthday. The one thing that I love most about you is how you make those around you feel. You always light up any room that you go into. And my best memory with you definitely would be when we're pulling Asher's leg and teasing him with his girlfriends.
Hi Rupali.
Hi Rupali.
Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very good birthday. I know it's in lockdown, but have a fabulous day and a lovely year ahead.
Hi Rupali, how are you? Wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a great day, super year. We know each other guys since last 20 years. From friends, we became family and looking to celebrate more number of years with you.
Dear
Rupali,
happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I know you since past 34 years and you always like super excited to bring in your birthday. So we are trying to make today a super special day for you. Enjoy.
खूब सुखी थजे, खूब सेवा करजे, सरस खाવાનું બનાવે છે લોકડાઉનમાં, હોટલ જ યાદ નથી આવતી, બનાવતી રહેજે. Okay, bye.
Just a few memories that we were all talking about. For me personally, I remember when you used to take me out to get heels and mom would be like, you can't get them. You'd take me all the time to go buy my heels. You take me to school with you to pick up Ashirbai. Even you and Priyali also. And you'd get me those little jelly babies and I would just make a mess out of all of them at home and mom would get so mad.
And your curly hair and she would tie it.
Yeah, you would tie my hair and you told me that I really wanted to get layers and you told me that you'd take me to go get my layers done. You told me to go get my highlights done. You told me to get my other ear piercings done. So everything, you've always been the cool aunt.
You are the one responsible for spoiling her, Rupal. Remember that.
Of course, it's fine. You're always the cool aunt. But happy birthday from all of us, including Mario.
Right, and so Rupal, even I have so many of our memories together, lots of fun that we've always had. तक मैंने तो तेरे दिन से कीधु तो ने कि तारी बर्थडे आती तो पति आपने कल तू ने तो पति खाना आपने. But we have had a lot of fun together. All your trips to Hong Kong and our shopping trips and going out for dinners. It's always been great fun. We are so happy to have you in our life, in our family, and all together we wish you
a very happy birthday.
We are in conversation with Nilesh, Ekta and Tanya, and tonight's special is Rapid Fire for Rupali Kaki. What is the first thing that comes to your head when you think of Rupali Kaki?
I think she is loads of fun and she's bold.
What's Rupali Kaki's favorite sport?
Running behind her kids?
If Rupali Kaki would play a role in a movie, which one would it be?
Since she's so fond of sports, I think Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota is perfect for her.
What's Rupali Kaki's favorite sport?
Shopping is her cardio.
So this ends tonight's rapid fire round, and Rupali Kaki, your hamper will be delivered to you on your special occasion.
Have a wonderful day and year ahead, and looking forward to celebrate after the lockdown.
So until then, stay safe.
Hi mom, loads of love, kisses and hugs. Wishing you a very happy birthday. This one's gonna be a special one. Love you so much. Thank you for always being there and happy birthday.
Bye, take care.
Love you.
तुम्हारा बर्थडे निमित्ते बेलाइन उम्र बढ़ती रहे साल घटते रहे, उम्र बढ़ती रहे साल घटते रहे. भगवान से है हमारी प्रार्थना, आपके चेहरे की मुस्कुराहट हर पल चलती रहे.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Enjoy your birthday for the fullest.
Be happy, be safe and spread love.
Hi Rupali Ben, wish you a very happy birthday. May you live a rich long life filled with joy, health and pleasant surprises.
Have a super duper birthday.
You have done everything to make each and every birthday of mine so very special. You have always supported me through thick and thin with your unconditional love. Just be the jolly person you have always been. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday and love you, Ma.
On the occasion of your birthday, dear, I've penned some lines for you. Sister, dear sister Rupali, dear, a bouquet of wishes for you is here. Roses and violets and orchids so clear, to shower you with infinite happiness, joy and cheer, to pave your path with blissfulness in health and everything throughout the year. Our heart's warmest wishes on your special birthday this year. Happy birthday, Rupali dear. Stay blessed always.
May you have a blessed birthday and may God bless you with health and happiness. This is a unique birthday, a lockdown birthday. Have fun. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Rupali, happy birthday to you.
In this lockdown period, the most memorable birthday, be healthy and be always blessed.
ये टपोरी, क्या टपोरी गैंग में नहीं दिखती? छोटा छतरी, अरे आज क्या है उसका? ओ आज जन्मदिन है ना, तो टपोरी गैंग की ओर से तेरे को जन्मदिन मुबारक देता हूँ. अच्छा, टपोरी गैंग में दिखती नहीं है ना? क्या आशीष परेशान करता है क्या? बोल देता हूँ आशीष और आशय को पूरा साल परेशान नहीं करने का. क्या जन्मदिन मुबारक और पूरा साल मजा करने का और गैंग में आने का, समझा? ठीक है, जाता है अपूर.
Wish you all the happiness in the world you deserve because you are such a helpful, caring, amazing and a great and a wonderful friend of mine. Some friends touch your heart in such a way that you can never erase. You are one of them. Have an amazing and a wonderful day ahead.
Wishing all the very best to the ever friendly, sporting and ever helpful Rupali. Remembering all the good times we had in Switzerland and all the great parties we had of before you. Whether it is sports, games or just dressing up, we had an amazing time. Wishing you a fun-filled day and a great year too.
And wish you a happy and safe year ahead. May God grant all your wishes. Take care.
हम रहें हमेशा आपके दिल में, हमेशा इतनी जगह बनाए रखना. हम आज साथ साथ नहीं तो क्या, आप पार्टी जहां भी करो, दिलों में हमें याद रखना. Wish you a very, very healthy, a very happy family birthday celebration and you enjoy the most the whole of the life next to come. Thank you.
For many, the word friend may just be a sequence of letters. For me, it's a source of happiness and joy, fun and musty, strength and power. I've spent the most beautiful moments with you and I look forward to many more. Phone a friend, that's what you are. My lifeline, my savior, my angel. I don't do it too often, but I want you to know that you mean the world to me. I also need to thank you for accepting me the way I am. And you know exactly what I mean. Accepting me with my idiosyncrasies. I've yet to meet someone who is as exuberant, as vivacious, as joyous and vibrant, and so full of life like you. That's what makes you different from the rest. So continue to be what you are. You deserve nothing but the best. So here's wishing you the most amazing and a fabulous birthday which will bring you everlasting joy and happiness. After lunch, Baki Rahi. A ritual that we both look forward to year after year, each year. So have a blast, enjoy, stay blessed, love you loads.
Hi Rupali, wishing you a happy birthday. Keva Mate, you are Dipti's best friend. But honestly speaking, તું મારી ફેમિલીમાં ક્યારે આવી ગઈ ખબર જ ન પડી. આઈ એમ વેરી હેપી ફોર દીપ્તિ. પણ ક્યારેક ઈર્ષ્યા પણ થાય છે. આઈ થિંક you are the only person she's so dependent on. You spread so much of happiness and joy with your presence, and I wish you the same. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday dear Rupali, happy birthday to you. Rupali, you are not only a beautiful person but you are a beautiful human being also, and I love you for that. Stay blessed, stay safe, and enjoy your birthday to the fullest. Love you.
Rupali, wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Today we have done something for you and we are going to sing that for you, so enjoy it. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार आना,
रात को 12 बजे चाय पीने जाना, नए नए पिक्चर दिखाना और शॉपिंग पे ले जाना. मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है लॉकडाउन खुल जाए, तेरे साथ डिनर पे साथ साथ जाए. तेरे बिना ज्वेलर और मॉल सुने पड़ गए यारा, यारा तेरी यारी तो हमने तो खुदा माना. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार आना.
Enjoy
it.
Happy birthday to you, Turning. Happy birthday dear Rupali, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Rupali, and have a cheerful and healthy birthday. You are always full of life, caring and loving, and please be the same. We are so lucky to have a friend like you. Once again, have a beautiful day and be safe.
May your year be as wonderful as you are.
Hi Rupali, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hopefully we'll see you soon and celebrate with you.
Hi Masi, I'm blessed to have you as my Masi, who's as good as my mother. You are definitely my go-to person. Thank you for being the wind beneath my wings. Happy birthday.
Have a good one, yeah. Gonna see you soon. Continue to look younger and party harder. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.
A big happy lockdown to you. You got Ashish for the almost 3 months getting complete. I wish we all can meet soon, and I really like playing Garba with you. You know that very well. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Take care. Be careful.
Hi, wishing you a very happy birthday, and I'm sure you are enjoying all the surprises that have been planned for you. So have a great birthday, a very different birthday. Even Jagdish's birthday was in lockdown, and even yours. So different experience.
I hope Ashish's birthday doesn't become in lockdown.
No, I hope not.
15th November, I remember.
So even I'm November, but I'm sure November we'll be partying or everybody together. So looking forward to seeing everybody together and have a lovely day. Bye.
Very happy birthday, Rupali.
Hi Rupali, wish you a very happy birthday. We really admire you for your strength, for your smile. You are a rock solid support of your family. Ashish would not have progressed half as much as he has done without you. And I vouch for this because I know how strong you are from within.
That's true.
So, wish you a very happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. We are all with you. Have a blast. Sing a song for you. बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Rupali, happy birthday to you.
We love you, Rupali. Happy birthday, Rupali. Wishing you good health, good luck and happiness always. And I want to keep dancing with you for at least another 20 years. Chinnery, chinnery. Chinnery, chinnery. Happy birthday. God bless you. Keep spreading an infectious smile. Love you.
You're always helpful, Rupali. You're always cheerful. You're very lovey-dovey.
You always dance very nicely.
Okay, let's sing a song.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Rupali, happy birthday.
It must be more than 35 years since all of us know each other, and we've all grown up from young teenagers to now proud parents. We have lot of memories, but I recollect those days when we used to go to play dandiya in the night till 4 o'clock, Jew First Road. Anyway, Nita and me, we would like to dedicate this song to our friendship. Yaro dosti बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगैरत तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगैरत तेरा हो यार. I have a great year ahead. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Rupali. Have a great year ahead and God bless you.
રૂપાલી બસ આવી રીતે ખિલખિલાટ હસતી રહેજે અને અમને હસાવતી રહેજે. Have a great day.
કોરોનાના હિસાબથી પણ કાયમ માટે આનાથી વધારે ને વધારે મહેનત કરે અને તને ખુશ રાખે અને તારી લાઈફ ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ જાય એવા અમારા વિશેષ. ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ.
Wishing you lots of joy and happiness on your special day.
Enjoy your birthday today with your nearest and dearest family and friends. Hope you have a year filled with lots of smiles, laughter and fun-filled shopping.
See you soon.
We met when we were teens and we used to go out and chill together. Today we are in our 50s and we have met so many friends in our life, but some of the friends are very special and you both are one of them. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great time together.
Enjoy full.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
लेकिन तेरे को मालूम है आज का तारीख में हम लोग का हालत क्या खराब है. हमारा मनीष मार्केट पूरा बंद है. हम लोग के पास पैसे के फाफे हो गए ले. और तेरे को ये भी मालूम है कि लॉकडाउन में क्या क्या हालत हुआ है खाने पीने के वाले. और तू बर्थडे उजव रही है.
लेकिन मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे को एक बात है, तू आशीष से बहुत ऊपर है, बहुत ऊपर है। सच्ची बोलता हूँ, दिल से बोलता हूँ। सब लोग बोलेंगे, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ। तू रियल फ्रेंडशिप में मानती है, और ये यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल है, तेरे रियल फ्रेंड यहाँ पे है। चलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे रूपाली।
हम लोग फिर भी आपसे मिलते रहेंगे, बात करते रहेंगे। छोटा सा वीडियो है, टाइम ज्यादा नहीं है। हमने आपके सामने जो करना था वो कर लिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
This song is dedicated to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए। तुम जियो हजारों साल, है हमारी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आहा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर रूपल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Love you a lot. Have a nice time. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rupali. Have a wonderful year ahead, and one of the memorable birthdays you'd be having for sure. Bye. Take care.
I'm sure you'll remember this one for a long time, since it's come under lockdown, although a little relaxed lockdown. I'm sure you'll find good ways to celebrate. Also, I'm sure you're happy now that the supply of pan has started. Enjoy the day, stay happy, stay blessed always.
Happy birthday, Rupali.
And thank you for always treating me like your own, and for listening to any problem or rant, whether it's related to Asha or not. And I hope you have a day that's filled with yummy food and tons of happiness. Love you.
Wish you very, very happy birthday, and may your year go very, very well, and enjoy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Rupali, wishing you a fabulous lockdown birthday. I'm sure it will be a memorable one for you. I've always seen an elder sister in you. Please be the way you are. Smile always. Love you. Take care.
Take care. Bye.
May God bless you. May God bless you. God bless you, dear Rupali. Happy birthday to